projects. I have unfinished projects.
This is my new best friend's shop. This is John. This is Little Crane. This is for Chuck. He has 2 lifts in his shop, Chuck. But we have a piece of equipment over here we're going to show you. That I know Adam doesn't even have one of these. This is a bench grinder. A Norton Type-S. The wheels are 24 inch? 30, I'm sorry. 30 inch wheels by 3. 20 horsepower. 3 phase, of course. And it works. Can we run it?
It works. Boy, I tell you what. You got some 1-inch plate to grind?
Oh, yeah, yeah.